Hello everyone, please welcome Amoy to the Jory Show. Backstage we have Amoy's boyfriend, Talmon. And another part of the story, we have Talmon's baby mother, Renee. You see, Amoy is here to find out who is lying to her. Cause you see, Renee has told Becky that Talmon has been sleeping with her for the past few months. But Talmon is saying that Renee is lying and she's just trying to destroy the relationship that Amoy and Talmon has.
Me and Talmon been together for 4 years. And me break up with him already cause me catch him that cheap on me with one of our neighbor them. But me take him back because me dey believe him when him say him change I'm not gonna do it again.
So, when he's dating now, for the past year,
Yeah, but then a girl Renee a call me and talk about say Talmon a ask her for sex. Then me get one another phone call. The girl Renee call me again and tell me said no, the two of them a have sex.
so you called Talmon and asked him about the situation. Yeah, and him said lie the girl I tell upon him. But he has to go to her house because they have children together, right?
Yes, but Renee claims say him go over there because the two of them are frig.
You said that Renee called Talmon's phone recently. What did she say?
She claims say me and her share him, but your man and my man too. But Jory, me not share no man. Me already pack for him bag them and him a come out of my house.
You also think that he's cheating on you with someone else?
If him cannot freak she and freak with neighbor, him basically a freak the whole of Jamaica.
So, what makes you think he's cheating with someone else?
First of all, him change him phone password to a pattern. You know the pattern password? And then again, him change it to a pin. Where you need to change your password so much time for? How will you hide?
So, you've taken him back for cheating before. If he fails this test, will you take him back again?
Me not take him back. He might come out of my house and go on back a Spanish town go live with him mama. Like what him really think this is? Me gonna be a yam made twice. Was a yam made before, but me now create a yam feel.
Alright, we will meet Renee in a few minutes, but here is Talman, Amoy's boyfriend. Yo, go on, George. Talman, she take you back after you cheat on her. Yeah, man, she take me back. But you see a girl Renee appear like she a tell pa me. But she says you come over her house for you two to be intimate with each other. Like she a tell pa me, Jory. But they say me go over the house to go check me you them. Me no go over there for the free car. She a liar.
So for like she tell, why show a picture of your body in her phone?
You know, this is an old picture that she keep, man. Me can't tell her for delete the picture of my old. Do you think Renee wants to be back in a relationship with you? Yeah, man, Jory, but what am I supposed to do about that? So, what about Amoy? Amoy not nothing for worry about. I'm a wifey that man. I should not nothing for worry about. Me ever go love her.
Mousing wifey when you that freak the neighbor door, don't it?
Come on, man, that was a mistake. It was an accident.
Oh, you accidentally dropping her front of that.
Well, Amoy says besides Renee, when you come home, you're wearing a different outfit than when you left in. Why is that? Amoy don't know say man love yam curry. Anytime I go up on the ends, me house and yam curry goat or curry chicken and the curry stain on my clothes. Man can't walk around with curry stain on them clothes. So me change my whole outfit. That's why me always bring an extra pair of clothes with me.
So you tell me say so bad union that every time you yam curry, you stain up your clothes, so you a pitney?
So Jory tell me say man can't change him clothes. I want crime that for change your clothes. Yo, pair foolishness I'm more hours ago. But before we meet Renee, she has a message for the both of you.
Amoy, me just a try tell you say man a give you bun, but you know want listen. Me come to you as a big woman and I tell you say, yeah man a cheat pon you. Talmon do over me yard every single day. From I want to get back together, him do over me yard. Why you no want listen, my girl? Your man no want you, him want me. But anyways, if you no want give him up, the two of we can share him.
Everyone, please welcome Renee.
Me no want share nobody no. She can get him if she want him.
Hey girl, oh yes, a lie.
Me lie? Talmon, you never done my house the other day, liar. Listen, my girl, me no want him. So if you want him, go on with
Yeah,
him.
cause you can't share him.
Renee, which one of you is telling the truth?
Me, I tell the truth, Jory. My granny never grew me for tell lie. Talman just need to be honest with her and tell her the truth, say my gear bun.
Renee, why are you always calling her and telling her about you and Talmon?
Cause Jory, every time Talman come to my house, he might tell me about how him want me and him get back together. But how him want our family to be together. Me, him and we pitney them.
Jory, him always a tell me about how she mad and she sick in her head.
Oh, Talman, me, I never sleep last week. Alright, go on lie.
Oh, around them time they say you there with your friend, yeah, don't it, Talmon?
You know, say a lie, shit I tell. Me da power with bug juice and bigs.
So Renee, do you think you're gonna pass this lie detector test?
Of course, Jory, after me, no lied. But no, whatever happened at the end of the day, you stuck with me, come here, baby mother. And any girl will come round, she have to go leave because you always have to run come back to me.
Alright, we have Renee's lie detector test and we have Talmon's lie detector test. Is everyone ready? Renee, did Talmon tell you that he was planning on leaving Amoy for you? You said yes. The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Yes, so me tell you, say, lie, girl I tell.
Renee, have you been trying to sleep with Talmon since him and Amoy got back together? You said no. The lie detector determined that was a lie.
What a two lie, no? Two lie, the girl get two lie. Yeah, what you say?
Renee, have you slept with Talmon in the last couple days? You said yes. The lie detector determined that was a lie.
What? Lie, girl, lie, bad lie.
Go and dance, cause I'm soon to hear a test.
Amoy, don't you think Talmon deserve an apology from you?
Alright, I'm sorry.
Renee, I don't understand. Why did you do all of this?
Jory, you sure the lie detector test in a mashup?
Alright, it's time for Talmon's lie detector test. Talmon, since you've gotten back together with Amoy, have you slept with any other women? You said no. The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Yo, Jory, I lie, I tell Pan man, me never sleep with nobody.
Talmon, did you change the passwords on your phone because you are trying to hide the fact that you were sleeping with other women? You said no. The lie detector determined that was a lie.
You see, me know you that cheat on me, now you old dog.
Yo, Jory, tell I say lie, I tell no, I just want joke. April 1st after all. Come on, a joke.
No, Talmon, these tests are 100% accurate.
Yo, man, Jory, I lie, you know, man. All you express it by the test room.
No pack all of your shit them in the morning. Come out of my house. Come out of my house, you know.
Be able to test them fake. You know, hear what the man say. You know, real. A fake test.
Yeah, old dog, me no want you back in my life.
Babes, come to my end, know you love me. How are you, sugar plum beer? Come now, babes.